Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to download Windows Server 2022 using VirtualBox as well as creating an Active Directory domain. Of course, open your preferred browser and search for Windows Server 2022 download. And then just press the ISO download 64-bit edition. Then kindly wait for it to download. After you've downloaded your ISO image, just open Oracle VirtualBox Manager, then name your virtual machine, whatever you want. Click the ISO image, click Others, then select the ISO image that you downloaded earlier. Next is unselect the Proceed with Unintended Installation. Then choose your OS version. For me, it's Windows Server 2025 because it's the latest version. Then for the specification of virtual hardware, just follow what I did. Then after that, just click Finish, then boot up your server. Just select that, then start. Wait for it to load because it might take a while. I'm okay with this setting, so I'm just gonna click next. Then after that, I'm just gonna click install now. Make sure to click this, then click next. Just scroll down, then accept the license and terms agreement. Click next. Click custom install, then select the drive that you want. Click next. Then just wait for it to install. Now we're in the administrator setup. Just create a strong password and then click finish. As you can see, there's a message, Ctrl-Alt-Delete to unlock. Just go into Input, Keyboard, then insert Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Then it will unlock. After you've unlocked, just type the password that you made earlier, then click Enter. The server manager will load on its own. Just wait for it to open up. After it's all loaded, just click Manage, then add roles and features. After that, just click Next and follow me here. Click Next, then add features. Click this one. Then just press Next. Next. Then just Next again. Then press Install. After it's all done installing, just click Promote this server to a domain controller. Then add a new forest. I'm just gonna name it @domain.com because it's a default. Then click Next. Create a strong DSRM password, then click Next. I'm gonna leave it at default, which is add, then click next. I'm leaving this as default also, then click next. After the prerequisites check is done, click install and wait for it to finish. If this popped up, don't panic, just close it and it will reboot by itself because the process requires you to log out to apply the changes that you made earlier. Then just do the Control Add Delete again, one lock, then type your password. The server manager will open up on its own again, and congrats! You've created your very own Active Directory server. To check your Active Directory, click Tools, then Active Directory Users and Computers. And that's it. Good luck making your own Active Directory in Windows Server 2022.